Checker's eggs. Checker's eggs. And her babies and her eggs. You see? Her babies and her eggs. Just come. Just come. Just come. Just come. Just come. It's a little bit tricky for me. Make a video and to give them. I think next I can say next month it will be easier for me to make the video because I will work on the house. It's all that cheeky. Hey, dogs, go. Yo, that's all that cheeky. I can say it's my passion. I will like when I give them food. Hey, it's not your it's not your house. And oh, I supposed to put some water for them. And the piscine is the pool. I say piscine. I think I speak French. You see, as I said, I speak French, English, and Creole. The pool, I supposed to transform the. I supposed to transform the pool also. You see? Okay. You're not ways. You don't. She doesn't ways. And oh, sorry. What? It's very bad. Oh, fuck. Oh, sorry. Where's your mom? Where's your mom? Oh, sorry. It's very bad. Where's your mom? Oh, damn. Oh, it's very bad. The chicken. Oh, it's this chicken. This chicken is a criminal. He put she puts the baby dogs in bed. Church, what I will do for it's very tricky. Where's his small? Where's it's small there? Mhm. What I will do? Hey, what's wrong? I cannot understand you. You just you don't you don't stay to take care of your baby, and you see what the chicken does with the baby. Go. I cannot understand. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Go in your. I can understand what you are doing because I see you want to fly. Go. Are you hungry? I put the food for you, but you don't eat. You see? I can understand that. Oh, it's not good. Go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Mm-hmm. What are you doing? Mm, the baby. It's very bad. I'm very sorry. Hey, go outside. And I will close this house. Okay. I don't know if the little duck will stay alive. Okay, I see what I will do. I see what I will do. I see what I will do. I will put this criminal chicken in cage because the criminal chicken okay, I can say this is the end of the video.